We're cleaning up this area. It's an ugly, windy day. There's this raven.
You're not the one standing in a brush of prickles and shit.
I stepped in poo.
So did I.
There's a bunch of popcorn.
Raining, and now it's raining.
There's a seagull.
Majestic.
And then there's a boot in there that I'll probably have to go fish for somehow. These popcorns with prickles everywhere and poo.
Poo. Poo. Poo. Poo. I stepped in the poo over there. I could tell because it had fur in it.
Then there's a car watching us as we clean up.